Pork ribs caldereta. This is very delicious. Here are our main ingredients. I have pork ribs here. We also use bay leaves, carrots. We will use potatoes, bell pepper. We have here a tomato, but I used a hand mixer on it. But if you have Filipino tomato sauce, that's better. However, I prefer this because it seems more flavorful. Whole tomato, which can be bought at the supermarket. Then we will also use onions. We will use tomato paste, lean or liver spread, garlic. We will also use brown sugar, whole pepper, salt, soy sauce. Of course, we will use oil and water. Let's start cooking. Okay, let's begin cooking our pork ribs caldereta. It has 3 stages. First, we will fry the ribs. Second, the potatoes and carrots. So in my cooking pot, there is already oil. I will drop our pork ribs. I show that I cut it maybe for about 5 to 7 minutes, then set aside, then we can move to the next step. So now po yung salsa mo to, so umugisik ko, mix it for about 2 minutes. May technique in my cooking style. While frying it, I add vinegar.
The focus is to remove the lens.
Again, just continuously mix it. Once it's slightly toasted, I set it aside immediately.
So there it is. Here are the pork ribs. I will smell them. When we mix it, of course, we will follow with the potatoes and the carrots.
Let's make it bigger. So we will saute it. Once it's fried again, we will set it aside. Then we will start to saute. There, are our potatoes and carrots okay now? I'll just smell it. Then we'll use the same oil for sauteing. Cooking caldereta also takes quite a while, but with patience, of course, in the end, you will enjoy the food. Now then, I will take another pot that is bigger for mixing, so I won't have a hard time. It won't be too full, so I will transfer the oil. Then we will start sauteing. There we begin with the garlic. Let's saute our onions. So I will cook it for another minute. Then we will add our pork ribs. I will drink my pork ribs. Then add the liver spread.
Let's just let it simmer for a while.
We will now add soy sauce.
Let's add brown sugar.
Let's add whole peppercorns and salt now.
Then tomato sauce. Tomato paste.
We will add water so that our ribs will be fully submerged.
We will add bay leaves.
So I will simmer it for about 40 to 45 minutes. So our pork ribs are cooked. It's tender now. We can now add the fried carrots and potatoes. Sa tapata, even if we fried them, the potatoes and carrots are still a bit hard. That's why we need to cook them for another 5 minutes. Okay, let's go to the last stage of our cooking of pork ribs caldereta.
Let's mix it for a while, and then we will now add black pepper. Then, oh my, I was not able to mention our frozen peas. So here is our very delicious pork ribs caldereta, which is a bit difficult to do, but in the end, you will also be the one to enjoy it. Again, thank you very much.